If your Hell Let Loose Vietnam game is crashing and then it gives you this message which says an Unreal process has crashed, UE Hell Let Loose Vietnam. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now these are the fixes that work for so many people, so ensure that you follow them. Now the first fix, set the game to run in DirectX 12 or 11 mode using this command line. Now you can start with DirectX 12, so you can copy this command, which is -dx12. So open your Steam. Now go to your game library. Now look for Hell Let Loose Vietnam. Let's say this is a game, just an example. So you'll have to click on your game and then right click on Hell Let Loose Vietnam and then go to properties. Now on the general tab here, you should see an option which is launch option. So you'll have to type -dx12. After typing this, close the game. Now try to play or launch the game to check if the issue is resolved. If you're still experiencing crashing issues, go again to properties. Now this time change to DirectX 11 mode. So type -dx11. Now close, try to play the game and check if the issue is resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue, simply remove it. Now try the next step. Now another fix is, they say here, still not working, try adding one of the following to your Steam launch option, which is this one. Now don't worry, all the instructions will be available on the description of this YouTube video. Basically, you'll have to copy this, or if you can type it, you can type just like it has been written here. Now go to your Steam, go to your library, look for Hell Let Loose Vietnam, right click on the game, go to properties. Now type this one. Now after that, close, try to play the game and check if the issue is fixed. Still experiencing the same issue, alternatively you can now copy this one by replacing that one that you've pasted. So go here, right click on your game, go to properties, and then make sure to type this one, which is -dx11, use all available cores, malloc system, exactly like it has been written here. After that, close, try to play the game and check if the issue is resolved. Actually, this fix was provided by the developers on the Steam. So if you can see here, they say, we are aware that some players using AMD GPUs are experiencing stability issues, including crashes, and the team is actively investigating these reports. While we continue working on this, the following temporary workarounds may help affected players. So you can try this one, which I've shown you on how to use them. Now, if you're still experiencing the same issue, some players may also see improved stability by setting in-game graphics settings to high. So ensure that you set the in-game graphics settings to high, as it has been provided here by the developers. Setting in-game graphics settings to high may help you resolve the problem. Or disabling the in-game overlay within the AMD Software Adrenalin Edition, or disabling the Steam overlay. So disabling the in-game overlay within the AMD Software Adrenalin Edition or disabling the Steam overlay may also help you to improve your game and help you avoid crashes. Now to disable the Steam overlay, you can open your Steam, go to your game. Now right click on it and then go to properties, and then on the general tab here you should see the enable the Steam overlay while in game. Simply turn this off, try to play the game, and this hopefully should help you resolve the problem. Now if you're still experiencing the same issue, try verifying the game files. To verify the game files, you can go on your Steam library, right click on your game, and then select on properties. Now right click on the game, select properties, and then select here on install the files. Select the verify intake of the game files. Wait for the verification to finish. Once it finishes, try to play the game and check if the problem is resolved or not. Make sure also you use updated GPU drivers. If you're using NVIDIA, you can open the NVIDIA application. So open the NVIDIA application. Go here to your drivers. Click this spinning cycle to check for updates. If any updates are available, make sure to download them and make sure to install them on your PC. If you're using AMD, make sure to update your graphic drivers using the AMD Adrenalin software. Also, some users reported that click any button to continue screen appears earlier than it is supposed to do. If you click it at that point, the game may break and crash. When this screen appears, wait about 5 seconds. A new screen with a disclaimer should appear, followed by the intended click any button to continue screen. You can then click a button and continue normally. It seems to be a bug where clicking the button too early interferes with the game's execution. Or wait for the opening cinematic of the game and not click away fast to launch the game. Try to wait like 30 to 40 seconds before clicking. So they say here, some users reported that the click any button to continue screen appears earlier than it is supposed to. If you click it at that point, the game may break and crash. While this screen appears, you can wait like 5 seconds. A new screen with a disclaimer should appear, followed by the intended click any button to continue screen. You can then click a button and continue normally. It seems to be a bug where clicking the button too early interferes with the game's execution. Now, if you're still experiencing the same issue, now you can try this. Make sure to go to your game directory. If you don't know how to go to your game directory or your game installed files, you can go to your Steam library. Now right click on your game, select here on manage, select browse local files. Now also select here on the browse local files, it will open on the Hell Let Loose Vietnam game folder. Now once it opens, now make sure to navigate like this. So open the HLL-Vietnam folder, which is Hell Let Loose Vietnam. Also open it, for example, it will be like this. Open that folder and then you should see binaries. Open binaries, and then open Win64. Now inside Win64, you should see this HLL Vietnam Win64 shipping, just an example that look like this, which is this one. So you'll have to right click on it and then go here to properties. Select compatibility. Now make sure to check run this program in compatibility mode 4. And then make sure to check also disable full screen optimizations. And then make sure to also check run this program as administrator. Click apply to save changes. And then click OK. Now this time double click on it, then try to launch the game and hopefully this should help you resolve the problem.